What?
In the water.
Oh.
Can I step?
No, tomorrow. Tomorrow, kuya, you took a bath na.
No.
Liam, no.
No, kuya.
You took a bath already, Liam.
Liam, no, tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning.
Yan, yung gusto niya lang niya. Nalala kayo, madilim na. Ayan. Go.
Sakay pupunta. Sakay pupunta. Sakay pupunta. Ang kaibigan tong dalawa eh.
Where we go, Uni? Hold mo nga siya.
Ikaw mag-hold.
Stop there. It's coconut.
Bigay mo natin yung baby.
Hindi naman niya nakikita doon. No?
Ay, malamig. Ito na, kuya. Huwag man.
Oo.
Ikaw malalim. Mami, pagbayan mo, swimming pool ka na lang.
Oh, B. Oh.
Liam, no.
Hold mo nga siya, mami.
No, tomorrow na. Tomorrow. No, tomorrow, kuya. Tomorrow.
Bukas ka na lang gano'n na kung gano'n nakita eh.
Oh, tomorrow. It's too dark na.
Kaya mo siya, hindi siya pupunta dyan. Pag morning,
Liam, tomorrow.
hold. Wait. Lahat mo lalakad siya kay mama niya. Hold mo lang siya. Mama, ay mama. Gusto niya pumunta sa, sige, malamig ah.
That's malamig?
Uni, you won't go to me. No, Uni, your mommy,
Oh.
Uni,
Uy, nasa
Uni, Uni, nako. Uni. Ma! 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 Ma!
Tignan mo nga. Si Uni.
Uni.
Liam, tomorrow morning. Why? Because it's too late na. Tomorrow you need to wake up early. Alarm the phone.
When?
Huh?
Alarm the phone when?
Anytime. Tomorrow, early in the morning.
So I can do 1 a.m.,
Not 1 a.m. It's dark.
5 a.m.
Yeah, 5. You just make sure you...
Mommy, I'm digging for something. Oh my, why didn't we bring shovel?
Oh yes, we forget to bring it.
Oh, why don't I use the sleeper?
No.
Can I remove my sleepers?
Oh, you...
Can I just remove my sleepers?
Di nag... Tignan mo yung anak mo. Oh. Ala, tignan mo yung dalawa. O yung anak mo, di. Ala.
Let's go.
Oh.
Nag-walk ka na nga eh.
No. Ala, maod. Oo.
Bitaw mo na lang, bitaw mo na lang.
Nakakalusot na yan, tignan mo. Sige, mausaw ka. Try mo,
Ah.
Oh my, what's wrong?
Because
Can I try and go in the water?
tomorrow.
Just try.
No, tomorrow you took a bath already. Instead of
And
me
how
just...
would our day then?
Because they haven't, ano...
And my tomorrow morning.
Ay, lumayo ka kay ading mo. Magpapaligo yan ng ano. Magpapaligo yan ng buhangin. Kaya you need to move. You know what will happen.
It's a long.
Hold it.
Dito. Laki ng isa. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ang motor.
Oo, move. Kuya. Oo, wait. Ito motorcycle. Tell daddy.
Bibili ako. What is it?
Tell daddy.
What is it? Give it.
Alarm the phone.
No, not that one. You told me you want to come. You want to go to the beach 5 times.
I want to go. Daddy, I want to catch up.
Ngayon, hinahanap mo yung... si Kuya JJ, swimming, night swimming. Oh. Ay, akala ko tatalo si Kuya JJ.
Hello.
Si Ate Jean, night swimming. Si Ate Rosie, dip lang ng paa. Tulog nyo nga si Ate Rosie dun, oh. Sino na to? Mira, Mimi. Oh, ba't night ka na nagsiswim? Ha? Si Makmak. Buti nakasama. Si Mother Earth, oh, ayan. Ay. Ayan, oh. 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 Oh.
Malalim pala doon.
Si Ate Jazz. Hindi makita.
Masakal na ako dito.
Si Andrea, si Chloe, si Onyok, tsaka si Kit. Doon. Nasaan napunta si Mama? Ayun pala. Kala ko nasaan na kayo napunta. Hindi ko kayo napansin dyan.
Babaw dyan, friend.
May patungan doon.
Dito ka dyan. Bata lang yan. Ayun, isa oh.
Hayaan nyo dyan, Santa Rosie.
Oh, sakay ka na dyan.
Alam mo kasi ate, kanina maghapon niya na naka-standby lang.
Ayaw pag alam yun. Okay, yun yan na lang. Babal lang oh. Mama, kababo-babo mo. Okay na yan.
Ay, kuya, ingat daw kayo dyan sa may ilaw pala dyan.
Pero kanina natin yung wala life jacket, ayaw mo.
Oh, takot ka nila, Hoy.
Uy, alam nyo kapag may ibang tao dito, nakuha na lahat ng cellphone nyo. Kahit na kuya, may value pa din yan. Ay! Ang ambon. Ang ganda rin itong napunta natin na doon.
Ang ganda rin nito.
Tahimik pa.
Ah,
Tahimik.
oo.
Ba't di ka maligod eh?
Malilig sa shower.
Ay, sa shower na.
Dahil lang dyan umawak sa ano.
Ba't dyan kayo papunta, May? Tapos na kayo maligo? Ma! Tapos na kayo? Maligo na kayo? Uy!
Open natin.
Saka mababait yung mga stock nila.
Hello.
Nasa
You're
kayo ngayon?
going to the beach and it's like 5 6 5 a.m.
Ito.
It's 5 a.m. and we're going to the beach. I think we're going to the beach. Oh yeah, we are.
Ganun ang aso.
And
Oh, careful kayo.
What about Uni? Uni,
Dog.
Ano yung ayos mo eh?
where are you going?
Wala pa.
Yesterday we found a crab. Yeah, I know that. Tiny crab. What is that? Oh my! Found the beach.
Oh, thank you.
We found the beach, guys. Yeah, me too.
Uy, dito kayo sa side.
Baby.
Baka pa yung aso.
We
Ano
just
na?
found. We We found the beach and I think we're going to swim.
What?
Oh, not.
You ask your daddy.
Daddy, are we going to swim on? What? Or we can walk.
Ay.
Oh, this is the second. Kuya, come on, let's look for some shells.
Wala pa sa mood. Okay, wala pa sa mood. Pag ganun sila. Oh,
Collect this like from the. Whoa! What, you found a shell, right?
ano?
Collect a shell.
Dito. What?
Can I go into?
Ikaw step on, oh, sure.
Oh yeah, we
naman.
can step in the water.
Ah, may tissue daw si daddy.
Wait, my sleeper.
Sige na, dyan muna, dyan muna.
Mommy, should I take my sleeper off?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, I just clean the shell. Oh, I need to take my.
Stay here, ah. B.
Plan! Oh my God! Kuya!
Suot natin yung mga dati nating sinuot natin kagabi, 'di ba sa lahat?
O kaya ganyan lang din.
Ayun, may pabalik na dito ano, yung mga bangka. Oh. Ayun sila. Oh.
Hold crab.
Catch it! Catch it! Oh, Liam! Get it! Yan. Oh, come on, get it, Liam! Come on!
Oh no!
Papasok na sa loob. Liam. Oh, sige na, Liam. Ano man tumang kuha naman? Oh, pwede mo nang hawakan yan, kuya. Wala nang claw ba yun, kuya? Oh, sige na. Liam, kunin mo, get it. Come on, get it. Get it, Liam. Ayun na, wala na, nag-ukay na, be. Oh, tingnan mo si Kuya Rowan, oh. Naku.
How's it digging? Nakuha ko, boy.
Nakuha ko, boy.
Yeah.
Nakuha niya. What are you doing?
I'm trying to dig it.
You're trying to dig. Dig what? You're trying to dig what, B?
I'm
Balik
trying to
natin to,
dig
pabalik
it.
doon.
in.
Tapos kargan natin ng sardinas. Nakabili tayo isda, sabi ko kayo. Medyo mo ngayon, ihaw nyo ka mo ngayon.
I know, pabalik na dito.
Okay, pabalik natin sa kanya. Maraming isda. Nakakulong. Fresh na isda.
Ma. Diyan na.
Dito kami sa Gasul. Beach Gasul. Napakaganda.
Satisfied?
Yes.
Oh, maganda naman kayo. Picture ko naman kayo ni Daddy. Opo.
Another one. No, not yet. We're just sticking
Look here.
the hole.
What?
It's hot at the top.
Oh. Oh, let's go muna. We'll be back. Kuya, your slippers. Oh, yung sinalas nitong anak mo.
I want to go home. Daddy,
Oh, let's go.
I want somebody to break my.
Oh, let's go, Uni. Uni, let's go.
No.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Liam.
You can wash your...
Because it was sad.
You can wash your,
Oh, it's
ano.
nice with the sun. Look at me.
Sinelas niyan.
Oh,
Iniwan lang kayo.
asan na si Dunyo?
Liam, it's nice with the sun.
Ibigay mo nga yung sinelas niya.
Kuya, come on, wash it.
Kababa ng tubig, tinan mo. Iniila niya yung pagkakor.
Nabasa na kasi. Nabasa kasi siya. Come on, come on. Aba, si Aling Maliit nakasimangot na naman. Si Aling Maliit. Way! Kuya, here, dito ka para makuha ng katalang video. Way! Kuya Rowan, dito ka para makuha ng katalang video. Ay, ang daming isda, oh. Look,
Look the fish.
fish, oh.
Oh, fish dito no.
Ayan, oh.
Fish oh. Ayan oh.
Ayan, oh, ang daming ano. O, dito ka, kuya, para makuha ng katalang video. Daming ano.
The fish wet.
Ha? Oy, don't splash. Oh, your slippers! Look, oh, Kuya Rowan is wearing slippers. Dami yung isda, oh. Ayun, oh.
Daming fish oh. Fish oh. Fish oh.
Oh, I just found them.
Di ba? Ang daming fish.
Hala.
Found fish. I discovered new fish. Wait, what?
There, oh, yan lang, oh. Oh, can you see it? Oh.
You can see them. It's the tacos. The tacos. You couldn't see.
Uy, Liam, there's... Oh, oh.
Oh, nice.
Ang daming ano. Dito lang sa bungad. Liam, here ka, oh. Next to Kuya Rowan. Oh, let's go na. Let's go. Let's go na. Oh, let's go.
Only after can I go to the swimming?
Oh, no, it's the closed pa. It's okay if it's ano. Ang maglola sa dalampasigan. Uni! Happy? Ay,
Singit.
si Lulu.
Menu to.
We need to walk this way.
Saan tayo dadaan?
This way.
Nga po kayo, basta ng panyo mo eh.
This way.
Wait.
This way. Ayan.
Oh my! What is Daddy! Stop.
It's okay. We will wash it.
Oh no!
Iniwasan lahat. Ano yun? There, oh. Sure. You can put it in inside your pocket. Oh, come on, let's go. You don't want to
This leaf is